looking for somewhere to jump.
Yeah, it's fine.
Hey, welcome back. So, you know what? It's already 6 a.m. right now. Just gonna walk out really quick and take a piss and poop as well. And then just try to get ready for getting in the car and then go meet my friends. If you look at the trees in front of me right now, they look pretty and lined on one side of the walkway. The thing is, they only blossom once a week, and I think that's actually good because it has a very distinct smell, and the smell reminds me of the smell I used to smell back in college. It's kind of like
playing with some young guy.
To go red.
I'm just
Okay,
recording to make sure Deborah make the right decision and we don't get lost.
If we get lost, we just.
I hope this is not a lost footage situation. We all get killed. We end up dying in the wilderness, and then
This is our last.
someone
DJI
picked up
camera?
the camera and find out what happened to us. You know?
It was already.
Is that a DJI camera?
Yeah.
Actually, my friend gave me one, but I never used it.
Oh, why not?
Like
Give it to me.
So you're gonna have a 2 cameras.
The
Action Pro.
The Action Pro, right?
Yeah.
Give it to me. What?
Why did you not use it?
I was thinking to use it when I'm cycling, but
Yeah.
No. None of you subscribe. I'm so disappointed.
Do we get like a partial ownership if we
No.
subscribe?
You can go. Go.
What?
Go.
Oh God.
He wants to be the alpha.
Nope.
He wants to lead the pack.
You will be the last one.
Right? It's really steep.
It's not very deep.
Very steep.
I think I'm just looking forward of Monday. Well, I have like
3 times in a row now.
yeah.
I know a pretty good
I'm fine with anything.
Chinese noodle place.
I thought you want to make dumplings. Well, what is our plan?
You'll be starving to death by the time we
sure.
get back, get the ingredients, make dumplings.
Okay.
Okay.
Like, you need to eat something first, right?
Okay, alright.
Jeez.
I feel like that one has a better like stabilizer, right? Compared to the glass.
So left?
Yeah, make a left turn.
Okay. Okay, this way.
Make a left turn.
Don't lick my...
I think at this point you're just sharing everything with Kai.
I don't want
Sharing the plate, food plates, water bottle, the
Stop
cups.
doing that.
Why is nose like peeling off?
Because he licked on it too much.
Oh,
Okay, can you not sleep? Can you not roll on the grass, Kai? It's nasty.
It's going to.
now it's gonna capture John.
It,
Oh no!
Oh.
Oh my God, it
it has an angle, so you have to go back. It can do 360.
Oh, really?
I think it got like a close up of John for sure. Yeah, Deborah, it has an angle, and then you can turn it.
Oh, okay. I see.
Try to jump. No, once you're in the frame.
Yeah,
Try
it
to
went
jump.
up and down.
Okay, good. I think we're just walking into the wild. Not even sure the way back, but we'll venture and try our luck.
Start of the end.
And in terms of ration, we only have 1 cracker left and 1 Kinder Bueno.
We're gonna
I,
die.
I think that's only gonna last us 4 of us, 1 dog, maybe half a day. And Kai can't even eat Kinder Bueno, so the cracker goes all to him. Okay, I hope I don't slip and die.
No, I don't like Sprite. I think that's just terrible.
I don't know. I think it would be a good experience.
Once in a lifetime experience.
Yeah, I don't think I would eat it very often.
chance that the person doesn't destroy it.
We were actually just walking on the ridge over there earlier,
I would say
so
0.0.
we would have missed this
Yes.
trail here, which is so pretty.
Yeah,
Right?
take a picture here. Okay, look here, so we can use that as
The cover, right? Getting hot.
I always have some memory, but the thing is, I think I'm pretty good at it now, and then I can tell them I need more time than actually do. So
Guys, I think we're here.
it's all about like managing expectations. I meet people, of course.
Yay!
Oh, nice.
Guys, we're here. I think the other side has a better view of the park. Yeah, it's so
Can you do that again, Deborah?
No.
I want to show Lucas your reactions after he gets out of the driving, you know? So, Deborah, pretend you are in a Uber driver's car. What kind of rating will you give to him after you get out of the car?
5 stars.
Will you just ban the account right away? Yeah, right?
No.
Lucas, sorry, you're bad.
What do you mean?
Oh no, they missed number 9 first. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Hi, how are you, people?
We're ready to order.
You're ready to order?
Yeah,
okay,
we
I
know.
order with you. Nice camera.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah. You take camera and put the social media.
Yeah, do we get a discount? Do we get a discount?
It's okay. Don't ask.
Place the order.
Huh?
You know what we are getting? Place the order.
Oh, yeah.
You want to order now or
Yeah.
later?
No,
We
we're
can order
ready.
with you, right?
Okay, no problem. 中国人啊，我是外国，两个问错。
Do you want to switch with me actually?
Do you have the menu?
Yes, you need a menu?
我看一下。
Okay, silent.
You can take it.
You can take it. You guys don't want to go. I can chili.
Like it smells like spicy spice. Just like it. Why did you just not distribute?
I don't think we will eat it now, but I was planning to do it later. It's not perfect.
It's probably spicy than this.
This is spicy. Yeah. Like a normal spiciness. Could we get a plate? Wait, ask me. Is it good? No? Mm-hmm. It's like chocolate. Yeah. I'll just try it.
你是要吃完是吧？ Wait, what is this?
Gluten? Oh, like gluten? Yeah, like where is it gluten? Like underneath the flour?
Yeah, if you keep massaging like the bar, you'll get a gluten. I think you should start with the...
Deborah and Jim were saying they want something cheap.
Yeah.
So $12.99, it's even cheaper than pho. Alright?
Yeah.
I thought it's $14.99.
I haven't ready.
Is that a vinegar or is that a vinegar or just soy sauce?
Yeah, it's good.
Oh my god, look. You just pour so much in it.
That's how you're supposed to eat it.
I wasn't pulling hardly because whenever he stops with Tesla, he stops so suddenly, like coffee just goes.
I'm surprised I'm the only one that get the plain soup.
Yeah, it's better with the vinegar.
Do you like it?
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's good. Yeah, it's good. It's not gonna beat my dumplings though. Maybe. I haven't had your dumplings in a long time, so. It was back in college, right? I think so. 111 euro.
It's how Chinese back there, maybe.
No, we had it in Europe too.
That's not.
你好，看得上齐的对吗？
Okay. So childish. I don't need to be on screen. Hey, we're turning into the new TNT. I don't know what's wrong with you guys, but it's okay. Oh my gosh.
Actually, all day long, yeah.
This has to be their franchise TNT location. Just look at the size of this. Everything's so new.
It's really busy inside. I already see the people. It's very busy. Pushing each other.
Oh, the custard cream. Oh my god, those are so good.
Just put it in here.
Yeah, but for now, and then
It's okay. It's a way thing.
let's get chai first. Let's get chai first. This is like very fancy chives.
But then
We
this
probably
one
need
doesn't
2 of
look
this. Maybe they're not growing chives right now, so we have to get something like this.
Like, yeah, so do you want chive or green onion?
No, we need chive, like Lucas asked for.
Oh, there's chive right there.
I found it.
Yeah, normal it's not this fancy.
Normally it's not this expensive either.
I think that's enough. Okay, let's keep going. Where's the car?
Go straight. It's near the
Just go.
supercharge.
Okay.
Aperture. That's not what.
Oh, like the next.
Yeah, maybe I'll do 2 batch. Otherwise I can mix it up.
Just make a big batch and then see. If you don't get 2, you can just freeze it.
Because I'm pretty sure, because based on my experience, it was almost full last time with this, and it only fits into 1 bag of wrappers.
Are you saying that we didn't get enough?
No, I'm saying I have to make 2 batch, so it's easier to mix them up.
Do you still have to walk him tonight?
Probably after we are done everything, we can do a small walk and then call it a day.
You're driving us home,
Let
right?
me try to guess this one.
You should. I mean, you guys welcome to stay as long as you want, but it's really up to you guys because I'm not the one that need to travel back home later. So
I guess
But your dad has
that's
home,
your
right?
answer.
no, you got
He's
Lucas
giving us
here,
up.
What? I'm
They-
not going downtown.
but you can get them to like the subway station.
You see, the thing eventually comes to you.
Well, he has
I'm
a
not-
car.
I'm not
What do you
surprised
mean?
at all.
Why did you even rent a car?